On behalf of the staff of the OECS Commission and the Director General, Dr. Didicus Jules, we are here again to express our appreciation to you, principal and staff, for your kind generosity and that of the teachers who assisted in the process in allowing 9 children of staff of the OECS Commission to be registered on the online learning platform of the Camille Henry Memorial School during May to June 2020. The students were registered across grades 1 to grade 6, and the feedback from the parents we received were very positive. I must mention that we had 2 students from the Commonwealth of Dominica who also participated and benefited from this cooperative initiative with your school. We felt it prudent, though, that given your quick response and your willingness to partner with the OECS Commission, that we contribute to the inventory of your personal protective equipment that your school must now acquire to meet the new safety and health protocols. Again, on behalf of the beneficiary OECS parents, their children, and the Director General, we say our deep appreciation and we look forward to our continued collaboration with your school.